Hey traders! Candlestick patterns are practical tools used by traders to understand the market and make strategic decisions. On a real price chart, these patterns appear as combinations of candle shapes, providing valuable insights about shifts in market direction. For example, a bullish engulfing pattern is displayed as a larger bullish candle that completely engulfs a bearish candle. Traders interpret this as a signal that buying pressure is overtaking selling pressure, potentially leading to an upward price movement. Also, on the chart, a doji manifests as a small candle with open and closed prices almost identical, indicating market indecision. Traders watch for doji patterns as they may signal trend reversals. Happy exploring!